Welcome to Santa Ana College. Hopefully you will have a great experience at this college over the next 16 weeks. I'm introducing you to Canvas. Canvas is pretty much our school, our class, for the duration of the semester. If you take a look over here, we have various different sections. This is the home page. You'll come here. There's announcements. You may contact me, and of course, I can get a hold of you through email. But make sure that you look at the announcements. You should at least look at the computer in the morning, in the afternoon, and the evening. Pretty much this is the class. Looking here, you'll see various announcements. As we scroll down a little bit, of course, the class title, my name, the section. And if you look here, each one of these modules represents a week. So the course content will be in each module. At the very beginning, you'll see the course info button. And then, of course, any resources we have are right here. Everything is very well laid out. Also, it says, big bold letters, you're not sure where to start? Well, then obviously, let's go to the course information button above. We have information as well as far as how to get a hold of me and questions about the course. Also, there's a hotline. So remember, folks, please do not go this alone. If you have some questions, feel free to contact myself, which is probably the first contact, and or the Canvas 24/7-day-week support hotline. So let's make this a great experience for all of us. Thank you very much.